Hello, my name is Steve Lombardo, Group Vice President of Sales for Star Manufacturing, APW Wyatt, and Baker's Pride Group. Today we're going to show you how to service and troubleshoot our two-sided grills. These are our models GR14 SPTK and PSC14 DTB as used by KFC and Taco Bell. How to replace the controls. Disconnect the unit from its power source. Remove the grease drawer. Flip the unit upside down to get access to the bottom of the unit. Remove the 4 feet and remove the 5 Phillips screws on the bottom cover and remove the cover. Remove the insulation from behind the control panel. Remove the nuts and spacers from the control board using a 5/16 inch socket. Remove the control board from the studs. Begin removing the wires from the back of the control board and place the wire on the corresponding attachment on the new control board. Use this one at a time to ensure the correct connections. Before inserting the new control onto the mounting studs, ensure the 1/4 inch spacers are located on each stud. Insert the new control onto the mounting studs and attach it using 1/8 inch spacers and 5/16 nuts using a 5/16 ratchet. Replace the insulation behind the control panel and then reinstall the bottom cover using 5 Phillips head screws and reinstall the feet. Flip the unit over onto its feet, being careful to hold on to the 2 top lids so they don't spring open during the process. Plug the unit into the power supply. The two-sided grills produced since September of 2018 feature a diagnostics tool to ensure the wiring is correct to all of the internal components. To run the diagnostics, with the power off, press and hold the first button on the left display and turn the power on. The diagnostics feature will test the bottom platen first, the top left platen second, and the top right platen third. If all 3 zones are correct, the display will show PAS. If there is a wiring issue, the display will show FAIL. When the test of each individual zone is complete, press the first button to begin the test of the next zone. At the completion of testing of all 3 zones, turn the unit off and turn it back on again for normal operation.